PlayStation 5 here, Slim. Customer states that girlfriend destroyed his game console. Look at this impact over here. That's pretty crazy. So in the process, you can see the connectors missing from there. So there's supposed to be a connector on this board. I personally never replaced one of these on the Slims yet, and oh boy, is the connectors hard to get. And believe it or not, I had ordered the sets of the connectors, this connector and this connector, and they only sent half the connectors, not this connector. Yeah, these are very hard to get. Hopefully come more available, and they're pretty pricey too. And this is how they actually shipped it too, in the bag, and an actual another bag from China. But yeah, we're gonna take this apart and then replace the connector. The CD drive looks okay. I told the customer he might need another disk drive. As you can see, there's a nice little bend mark here. Got a nice little dent over here on this side. But yeah, let's get this